Hi everybody, Simon Whiteley here. This is just a quick video to make you aware of a few things that are coming up over the next 4 to 8 weeks. So in November the 27th, Friday, I'm running the next STAMP Asgard online meetup, social meetup, where we can get together, have a few drinks, have a chat, catch up on a Friday evening. And then I'm running my next masterclass on the 12th of December, Saturday, at 8 AM for the first session, 8 PM for the second session. And the topic of this masterclass will be a railway example. I'm going to be talking about a track worker being hit by a train near the Stoats Nest Junction near London in 2018. Now, a few people have asked after the last masterclass, they really enjoyed it. They wanted to basically go behind the scenes and learn how I go about preparing the masterclass and learning about STAMP and learning about CAST. So this time what I've decided to do is actually open up a workshop the week before the masterclass, a 6-hour workshop on Saturday the 5th of December at 10 AM till 4:30 PM, where we'll basically go through as a small group through the case study, reading through the report, working through the preparation of the CAST accident analysis, so the foundation phase, the modelling phase, and then the analysis phase. And it's an opportunity for you to ask as many difficult questions as you possibly can about CAST accident analysis and about STAMP and how it's applied. This will be in the case, in the context of a railway case study, but the principles apply to whatever industry you actually work in. So there's the workshop on the Saturday the 5th, and then the masterclass on the 12th. You don't have to go to both of them. You can if you like, but you don't have to. And then, of course, recently there was a gentleman posted about a US Air Force F-16 accident that occurred during this year. The official investigation report has just been released. I saw that last night and thought, actually, that looks like a really good case for the next masterclass. So if you're interested in military aviation accident investigation and using CAST accident analysis, using STAMP, then what I'll do is run another workshop, masterclass, probably between Christmas and New Year. If you're interested in that, then please comment below, let me know. And of course, if this stuff, if STAMP, CAST and STPA is of interest to you and your colleagues, please share it. Help them to learn about this, share this post, comment below and let me know you're coming. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the Asgard social meetup, hopefully the workshop, the masterclass, and then a workshop and masterclass on the F-16 accident. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.